She loves to travel. She considers herself as a joker. Candidate number 7.
Assim, ó,
Stella Saul, 28, from the Municipality of Gaza. She loves to edit her photos using her mobile. She enjoys watching international horror movies. She loves playing mobile games. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 10, Stella Saul. Candidate number 10 from Gaza.
Candidate number 11.
Só vai dar em você, pra gente não fazer assim, ó, para.
She will out and talk like a real guy. She can dance kudos with a sleeper in her elbow. She automatically dance 1 hour in her spaces. Candidate number 11, Kate Erika Briones Sadid Enriquez from the Municipality of Gaza.
Candidate number 12 is Library Sam Matigot, 27 years old, and Municipality of Santa Cruz. She loves to tell jokes with her friends. She can memorize herself in just 10 minutes. She considers herself as a creative one. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 12, Miss Laika Marie from Santa Cruz. Candidate number 12 is Lagamalinsen Madula from Santa Cruz. Candidate number 13.
She loves to collect import runs. She loves to look, especially Vico Express. She considers herself as an international and very expressive, especially with the people she trusts. She is Mika Lopez from the municipality of Santa Cruz.
Candidate number 14. 21 years old from the municipality of Mongkol. She considers herself as an attractive and reactive person. She is optimistic, focused, and family-oriented. She always works hard. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 14, Joanna Andalusia from the municipality of Mongkol. Candidate number 15 is 22 years old from municipality of Guam. She can cartwheel with high heels on. She can sleep in a noisy place. She never watched fade around. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 15, Savannah A. Pendleton. Candidate number 16. Candidate number 16 is 19 years old, municipality of Correa. She loves and enjoys exploring places by herself. She is born efficient and effective when she is a citizen. She gets the inspiration and instantly creates a storyline from she or hear. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 16, JC Patricia Neral Gonzalo.
E agora eu quero ver todo mundo cantando comigo mais ou menos assim. Alex.
Ladies and gentlemen, our lovely candidate for the sixth set, Where? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our 16th lovely candidate for the swimwear. And this time,
Ladies and gentlemen, an observation number from Daniel June Apilocchio and Isa Tilihen.
Thank you so much. And dapat tayo sa ating special award. Our special award is Best in Advocacy. Yan po yung naman ang ginawa ko na yun sa video na po ito, online. Meron na po pumili doon. At ilan naman nanalo niya sa dati? Pero tatlo yan. Okay. Tatlo yung napili. Best na advocacy is Miss. Second runner-up. Bambi for Tessa. Ang advocacy is
Second runner-up.
Sangkalaan. And the first runner of best advocacy is Miss Best in Advocacy, first runner-up.
Cash prize daw po yung pakasama.
Okay, cash prize. I'm so sorry. Ang taray. Mamumuli ka na. Second runner-up is Bambi. Ang advocacy niya ay nasa niya ano? Tungkol saan yung advocacy mo?
My advocacy is all about promoting agriculture.
Bagay na bagay sa yung culture niyo, no? Sa kulay ko pala, culture na. First runner-up is Julia Mate.
And she is also Miss
She's also a Miss
Youth Advocate 2020 to be awarded by later. Okay. And our best in advocacy is
Number one.
Miss Laika Maricel Madrigal.
is mental health.
Yung kay ano to, kay Miss Bambi, ano to,
Promoting agriculture.
Hindi care awareness. Tapos ako kay culture,
Promoting agriculture and then mental health awareness.
mental health. Bagay na bagay kay Laika, no? Laika, kamusta ka naman?
Our best in advocacy is to be awarded by Miss Lilith Reynoso. Sorry, Lilith Reynoso.
Ano naman naramdaman mo, Miss Laika?
Masaya.
Saya. Dahil yung advocacy mo ay tungkol sa
Mental health awareness.
Which is
which is
alam mo kasi, yung awareness nila kasi is based dun sa kaniyang tunay na buhay.
yes, oo. Kung mapapanood po ninyo sa video yun, na isama po niya yung kanya sa buhay na nangyari sa kanya. Yan, palakpakan mo na, ladies and gentlemen, ang ating second, first, and best in advocacy.
Okay, congratulations. Our Youth Advocacy to be awarded by Sir Mark Amala is Miss Josh Mabel.
Julia Mafe. Turok mo sa kanya ng bata. Yes, palakpakan mo natin. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Yung cash prize niya kay
Okay,
John.
congratulations, girls.
And this time, para sa ating special award again, for the best
Miss Feminine Look.
Feminine Look. Ang talas.
To be awarded by Sir Jess Briones.
Sir Jess, to be honest, is candidate number. Sino kaya?
10.
Gusto kong feminine.
10-8-2. 10-8-2 ang akin. Sa'yo? Okay, 10-8-2.
Sino yung 15 ang gusto nyo? Feminine look? Bet ko rin talaga siya. Mukha siya babae talaga. Yung babae hindi mo maintindihan kung magiging tao o ba. Charo. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 7. Miss Feminine look. Anong kapangalan niya?
Sir Jess.
Sir Jess. Ang tari mo pa nga naman siya babae. Actually, baby. Baby dinosaur. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Sir Jess.
Next award.
Is best in Darling of the Crowd.
To be awarded by Miss
Laika.
Ang taray na, gusto ko yun. Dalawa kasi ibig sabihin ng Darling of the Crowd.
Ano yan?
Yung pinapalakpakan na palakpak lang.
Tapos yung
Kahit
isa?
pinapalakpakan ng isamang sigaw. Hindi ko alam paliwanag yung isa.
People's Choice.
Yes, candidate number 15! Ang tala, malimit sa kanila.
Is Savannah Kate Capricorn. To be awarded by Miss Encargo.
Thank you so much. And congratulations.
Congratulations.
Best and Miss Photogenic.
Awarded by Sir
Tawagin mo
Alan
natin.
Reynoso, our official photographer. At taon-taon kong nakasuporta sa Miss Gay Marinduque. Sir, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat.
And our Miss Photogenic is
10. 10 or yun ayun, no? Ayan. Ayan, madaming photo dyan kita si pero sa akin yung...
Candidate number 10.
10. Sabi ko 10. Yun na.
Congratulations. Ako naman.
Oh!
Amado ka.
Miss Congeniality.
Next award is Miss
Congeniality.
Body Beautiful. And Miss Body Beautiful to be awarded by Miss Shelly Babante. Miss Body Beautiful is
Candidate number 4.
candidate number 4 is Miss Scarlett Gonzalo.
Talaga ba started? Nagulat ka?
Congratulations. Next award is Best in Production Number.
Ay, may best in
To be awarded by Ma'am Jimmy Mendoza.
Best in production number is contestant number
2.
Number
11. Binasol niya ko yung katawan niya.
Congratulations. Our next award is Miss Congeniality. To be awarded by Sir Efrain Morgan. Yes, ma'am.
Candidate number
Number
1.
Candidate number 1 is Maria Victoria Manini.
May isa pa yun.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Yes,
Earth.
yes.
Congratulations sa lahat na nanalo.
Ng minor award.
And it's time for the information number.
Nag-iinit na yung